Hello everyone, this is Dr. Chao Chen from the Department of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering. Today, I will give a brief introduction of robotics and mechatronics at Monash University. My presentation will answer the following questions. What is robotics and mechatronics? Why do you want to study robotics and mechatronics at Monash University? And what are the job opportunities for you? What is robotics and mechatronics? Robotics and mechatronics is a multidisciplinary branch of engineering. So it consists of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, and control systems. Hence, this course is offered by two departments, the Department of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering and the Department of Electrical and Computer Science Engineering. There are two streams in this course. One is AI, one is automation. Why do you want to study robotics and mechatronics? The global demand on robotic and mechatronic technology is increasingly strong. The right figure shows the number of shipments of industry robots annually. You can see there is a very rapid growth in the past decade. It is estimated that automation can boost Australia's productivity and income by $2.2 trillion by 2030. It will result in improved health and safety, new products and services, new types of jobs, and new business models. It is also estimated that by 2025, automation in manufacturing would increase by 6%, while the injury in this industry sector will be reduced by 11%. What do you learn in robotics and mechatronics? You will study mechanical systems, electrical systems, and control systems. In mechanical systems, you will study mechanics, dynamics, thermal fluids, and power systems. In electrical systems, you will study circuits, digital systems, and analog systems. In control systems, you will study programming, sensing, modeling, and control. You will also study specialized units such as robotics, advanced manufacturing, and many interesting electives. You will practice your knowledge and gain hands-on experience by participating in projects in different levels, such as design, automation, and cyberphysics. You can select your interested final projects in the areas of robotics and mechatronics. What are the extracurricular activities for you? There are 28 student clubs and teams in Monash Engineering. Our students in robotics and mechatronics are very popular in these student teams. They are the driving force of the amazing development in their projects. For example, this photo shows the Monash Nova Rover team in the global competition of University Rover Challenge in Utah in 2019. This group of students aim at developing rover for Mars exploration. They won top 10 in the 2019 challenge among 160 international teams. What is the expertise you will develop in the robotics and mechatronics? You will be specialized in industry automation, development and application of robotics, simulation and modeling of complicated robotic and mechatronic systems, engineering design, development of control systems, project management, and many more. Some of our graduates showed that they could develop a fully automated production line from scratch to the final commissioning and delivery by working on all the relevant disciplines and also project management. What are the job opportunities for you? Our graduates are popular in the job market. They find their positions in various industries, including manufacturing, material processing, chemical processing, medical devices, defense, industry automation, automotive, transportation, agriculture, and many more. Some students also find their positions in the prestigious research institutes and organizations, such as CSIRO and NASA. This is my brief introduction of robotics and mechatronics. Thank you for your attention.